Hey, what's going on, Facebook? I just wanted to catch up with you guys, and today I'm not really going to be talking much on a specific topic, but I wanted to share a little bit of what's going on in my life. And today, particularly this week, we're out at a Bible Christian camp, church camp, whatever it's called, but we're out here with our kids and with the church. And so I'm in the woods park kind of area. And so basically, just thinking about this, the fact that I'm able to be where I want to be with my children, with my family, and with the camp, right? We're out and about, but at the same time, I don't have to worry about, sorry about that. I don't have to worry about my business being on pause just because I'm not there, You know this when your business is systematized, when you have a systematic approach that you're working with, then you don't have to worry about your business being on pause or actually working while you're not. So that's one of the things. And as a matter of fact, if you already are familiar with my YouTube channel, come check it out because today I did a video on hustling. I talked about why I personally don't hustle and a little bit about my schedule. So come check it out. I know my channel is just Anna Malimon, so you'll be able to find me easily. If you're not already subscribed, please do. I would truly appreciate your support. But also, I wanna let you know that as a mom, as an entrepreneur, um, as someone who is involved in many different things in different aspects of life, it's quite impossible to have a schedule where you are super dedicated to just running your business specifically. And why I say this is because some people think it's not possible. But the thing is, anything is possible if you prioritize your schedule right and if you are doing what you're supposed to be doing, maybe like, focusing on particular tasks or something like that. For your business. And so when you're, doing your income producing activities on a daily basis, you don't have to worry about, whether your business is, waiting on you or if it's stumbling somewhere. You have a system that's working for you and you have things that you do on a daily basis. So you can be assured that success is it's whatever you make it to be, whatever you make it to be for yourself. And so anyways, while I'm out here at the camp, I'm also dedicating some time during the day. Like I find time if I want to, right? You find time when you want to for things that you want to do the things that I need to keep my business running and to just make sure that things are going smoothly and just double checking that things are working and communicating with the people that I need to. But otherwise, I wanted to share this beautiful scenery with you in the background. There's, not too much going on in this particular area, and everybody's getting ready for church. So we're gonna have service in just a few minutes here, and after service, we have a dinner and then free time with kids, and for just a lot of different activities throughout the day. We've been having a blast. If you've been following my stories, you've probably seen some of the rides we've been going on and hanging out at the ocean with the kids. It's been amazing, such a blessing in every way. So just it's important to spend time with the family. And so before they get back to school and everything else, it's really cool to just kind of hang out and relax and do the normal normal kid stuff in the summer, right? Enjoy the summer to the fullest. So that's what we're up to, just kind of hanging out this week and letting our kids create memories and build up their memory with their friends in their church. And so it's been amazing. That's what we're up to. What are you up to? I'm curious. So tell me, let me know in the comments below. So, how are you ending your summer, or have you already ended it? Are your kids in school and you're done and ready to, do homework and all that? We're homeschooling, so we're ready. As soon as we get back, we're going to be starting. So it's going to be a lot of fun. We have everything scheduled and planned, and I know we're going to have a blast and we're going to have a lot of fun. See, that's what we've been writing all day. We're going to have fun. We're going to make the best out of everything that we have going on. So, yeah. Thank you so much for tuning in. And as always, Stay awesome.